Hi there, I'm Francisco. I'm one of the product managers here at Glofox, and today I want to give you a quick tour of Amplify's member-expired workflow. Did you know that boosting your member retention by 5% can increase your profits by up to 95%? That is how relevant member retention is, yet most studios are underinvesting in it. This is where Amplify can help with a member-expired workflow, allowing you to automate win-back campaigns to re-engage with your lost members. So how does it work? You can go to the Connect and then to the Messages tab, where you'll see the member-expired workflow alongside all of Amplify's workflows. You can see that we've already set it to active. And if we open it up, we will see its start and stop rules. In this case, we are finding any member that has expired or canceled and sending them a sequence of automated messages up until either the messages run out or ideally until they purchase a new membership, achieving the desired goal of winning them back as a member. There's already a predefined template in place following the industry's best practices to get you the best results, but if you want to disable any messages or edit their content to best match your tone of voice, you can absolutely do that. One thing that we've seen work really well is to add some incentives such as promotional codes or free services into the latter messages, but do keep in mind not to be too aggressive early on. This member did expire or cancel for a reason, so think of it as a long sales cycle where you're just keeping them lightly engaged over time, reminding them of the benefits of your community and the great services that you provide. If you have any more questions about this workflow or Amplify in general, make sure to reach out.